Hey y'all, I was just gonna make this all about like the new products that I've been using on my curly natural hair, but I have this wig on, so I felt like I would just also in the same video show you guys how I remove my lace front wig. So if you want to see how I adhere it, there is a video. I'll put it up here in the card section for you to check out. Using the stocking cap method. I right now don't have it on using the stocking cap method, but I pretty much glue down the same if you just remove the stocking cap. So if that makes any sense or if that helps. But yeah, that video will be up there. And if you guys do want a video of me showing you guys how I do it without the stocking cap, comment down below, let me know, and I'll definitely do that for you as well. As you guys can see, it is stuck on there, honey. Like, it's not going anywhere at all. It is kind of lifted already a little bit, but like, it's not going nowhere right now. Recently picked up the Not Your Mother's Naturals from Ulta, and I like this system, or I wanted to try this system because it is sulfate and silicone free, and I'll be doing a video soon about things that are good for your natural hair and the things that are not good for your natural hair, because I learned a lot within the past few years what to and not to put in my hair specifically. And I know I got a lot of love and comments and input and all of that on my moisturizing low porosity hair, and what I pick, or the type of products that I choose are based on the ingredients that cater to my low porosity hair. So I'll be doing a video on that really soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But like I said, the reason why I picked up this brand and this line was because it is sulfate and silicone free. So the one I have right here is the curl defining system, and there's more than just the shampoo and the conditioner, but that's all that I picked up so far. I do plan on getting more styling products, but this is the curl defining shampoo and the curl defining conditioner, and it is the Tahitian Gardenia flower and mango butter. So that's what I'm going to be using in this video today. So just to let you guys know how it works, I do have an old wash day video up on my channel, and I'll put that up here in the card section for you as well if you want to check it out. But I have been using different products from that video. The products that I was using in that video I no longer use, for the simple fact that some of the products do contain silicones and sulfates. So we're going to start off just by taking off the wig, and I'm sorry my voice sounds scratchy, I'm tired, but I'm just taking a spray bottle, spray the frontal, and kind of just rub that. Typically, water will just bring the frontal right up. So I just spray the frontal and kind of rub backwards so that it lifts up. And you want to be kind of gentle because you don't want to rip your edges out. I did use the Got To Be Freeze spray to adhere this wig, this frontal. So it is safe for your hair, but it's still a possibility you can rip out your edges if you're not careful. So just make sure that you're careful. So let's just do this first and just try to pick up as much as I can. Alrighty, it's not easy, but I count. Okay, so the wig is off and my edges are still intact, sis, okay? So now that's off, there's still like spray and gel and stuff on my edges. What I will say is that my edges do start to feel a little bit weak when I wear the frontal, so I do like to give my edges a break and not wear it so long. So maybe 2 to 3 days, maybe a week if I'm pushing it, but usually I don't. I'll take it off and let my edges breathe. Plus, once a week I like to deep condition. So I am going to be showing you guys how I deep condition in this video as well. But the first thing that we're going to do is shampoo. So typically I do my washing videos like in the shower, but I didn't feel like setting all of that up. It does take a lot of time, and it's really late right now. Like, it's 12 a.m. I'm sure. It's almost 12 a.m. So I'm gonna go drench my hair in water, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna shampoo. All right, so hold on 1 second. Okay, so my hair is fully saturated with water. I just drenched it with water. I kind of loosened up my edges because they did have the gel on it. But I'm gonna take this shampoo. Like I said, it's the Tahitian Gardenia flower and mango butter shampoo. And just so you guys know, it is sulfate and silicone, gluten, paraben, and dye free. And it smells delicious. So I'm just gonna take like 3 pumps of it. I'm gonna start on the hairline and work into the scalp. Ooh. A lot of problems some people have with shampoos that are sulfate free is that they don't lather up. This shampoo lathers up really nice, and it feels really good in the hair. Like, it doesn't feel like it's stripping your hair. It just feels like it's moisturizing your hair. I also wanted to mention that I do use hot water when wetting my hair in the shower, just because otherwise the cuticles in my hair will not open up so that the products can absorb. So just a little pro tip for low porosity hair. I'm just going to use my fingertips to clean my scalp and massage that shampoo into my scalp. Taking another pump just to go into the center of my head and the back. So I have the shampoo all worked in. I don't work it into the ends of my hair just because when I rinse the shampoo from my scalp, it'll go through all of my strands and clean them that way. And I've voiced that before in previous videos, but I do like to reiterate for anybody who's never seen any of my videos before. So I'm gonna go wash this shampoo out and then we'll get to conditioning. I rinsed all of the shampoo out. Now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. It looks like this. I'm taking a lot of conditioner. And this conditioner is also silicone, sulfate, paraben, dye, and gluten-free. I'm just gonna put this starting at the ends of my hair and working my way up towards the roots. After applying the conditioner, it's optional. You can detangle with like a shower comb or a dimming brush or a detangling type of brush, or you can just finger detangle. I'm just kind of running my fingers through my hair just to make sure it's not tangled. I did have a lot of shedding, but when I have my hair up for a few days, sometimes a week, you know, hair sheds daily, but when it's up like that, then the shedding just sits in your hair, and so when you wash it out, that's when you see all that shedding. So that's normal. It's just your normal everyday shedding. It's just that you don't experience it because your hair is braided up or up under a wig. So I just did want to mention that also. But this stuff feels amazing in my hair. My hair feels so soft right now. And not only because of the conditioner, but because I'm using hot water to open up the cuticles so that my hair absorbs all of this moisture. So that's why it feels so freaking soft. So I'm just working this into my hair, and you kind of want to let your conditioner sit for like 5 minutes in your hair so that it absorbs all the moisture and does its job. But I am making sure that I work it from the ends all the way to the roots. So as you can see, it's really bringing my curls back to life. So the definition is definitely there, and it smells so freaking good. Look at the definition. Okay, so now that I've worked it all in, my hair feels so amazing. I'm gonna go and rinse this out, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using to deep condition. It's my holy grail, and I think you'll love it too. So hold on 1 second. I'm gonna go rinse this out. I'm gonna be right back. Now that the conditioner is all rinsed out, I'm gonna go ahead and start deep conditioning, and this is what I do every single week. I shampoo, I shampoo, condition, and deep condition. That's just my weekly wash routine. So what I've been using every single week is this right here. You guys know I love Cantu, and this is their deep treatment mask. It's a deep conditioner. and I absolutely love it. It's also sulfate, silicone, paraben, and mineral oil free. So I love using this. It smells so good, and it's supposed to restore, strengthen dry, damaged hair. So I take it. It's pretty thick. They also have these in little packs, little small packs you can try out. But I would definitely recommend this. It's really, really good. So I just take it, and my hair is still soaking wet, and I'm just gonna start from the bottom and work my way up to the root. Pretty much applying it the exact same way that I did the conditioner, but I'm applying a lot of this. I like my hair to be super saturated in a deep conditioner because I want my hair to fully absorb all of the deep conditioner because my hair needs it. It's detrimental that my hair is deep conditioned weekly. So that's why I love using this one. It works really good on my hair. So I'm just gonna speed this part up for you guys. I'm just making sure to work that like if I see any places that are dark in my hair, I'm applying more product. I also forgot to mention that I like to use this Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. I like to use this with my deep conditioner just to help promote hair growth, also moisturize. This is a good multitasking oil. So it's very, very thick and you don't need a lot, but I do just pump like 4 pumps. And I'll just put that in my hair with the deep conditioner. And I'll take a little bit extra and take it all around my hairline just to promote hair growth on my edges because my edges are a lot shorter and they're always weaker, and I'm always dealing with my wigs and tension when just pulling and styling. So I like to always put that on my edges to make sure that we're always promoting hair growth. So once you've got that worked in your whole entire head, you wanna you can put like a plastic cap on, a grocery bag, girl, get it how you live, or you can just put it up in a ponytail and let it sit in your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. Or if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under that for about 15 minutes and allow that deep conditioner to absorb. I am going to just tie it up and let it sit in my hair for about an hour, and then I'm going to rinse it out and show you guys what my hair is looking like. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. I left the deep conditioner in overnight. I was so tired, so I fell asleep. So I just washed it out. This is what my hair is looking like right out of the shred shower. So I didn't wring out my hair, I guess you would call it, get all the water out. If I'm gonna style my hair, I like for it to be soaking wet. So I want to just show you guys what it looks like before I style it, because I'm not going to be styling it on camera for y'all today. I don't have time to go to work. So this is what it looks like. It looks really, really healthy. Yeah, this is just what I've been doing weekly. These are just the staple products that I've been using weekly in my routine. So I always make sure I have a sulfate-free shampoo, a silicone-free conditioner, a silicone-free deep conditioner, and an oil that's going to help hydrate and seal the moisture and also add some shine. So that's why I have the Jamaican black castor oil. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I'm really loving how defined my curls look right now. Not sure if I'm gonna do wash and go or if I'm just gonna let it air dry how it is with nothing in it. I might just add some oil. I don't know, we'll see, because my day is starting pretty early. It's like 6 in the morning, so I just wanted to finish the rest of this video with you guys and show you guys the results after my whole wash routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Click the subscribe button down there. Also, right next to it, there's a notification bell button. click that as well so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.